I like this AT trade of the day, but all it took was some patience and discipline, waiting for an amazing trade, a ladder pattern to form. One where I saw the odds were in my favor putting on a trade, in this case to the short side in the euro dollar. Note that I used my predetermined risk reward to achieve my profit target. And for me, if I had to call this trade and give it a name, I would call it stealing pips. So see for yourself in the following and see how the trade worked out. I'm going to put a short on based on the start of this ladder here, but it has to take out this key stubborn low here, red line, to achieve a profit target. So not a high probability trade. Preference would be to put a stop above the high of the day, but I'm just going to put one above the top of this ladder over here. Put my sell on. Put my level over here and trigger. Quick update on this trade where we're short at 102.37.3. Take profit at 102.28. You could see how close we got to the take profit over here. Just almost a spread. We're still staying with it. And just for those who have followed the Amazing Trader, note what happens after you get a third Amazing Trader line. You often see an acceleration to the downside, which we did by breaking this line over here. But we are in tight ranges, still within the day's range. And that's why my take profit is here and not down over here. So let's see what happens. I'll come back shortly. My profit target was hit at 102.28. I used my 1.25 to 1 default risk reward as predetermined in my trading template before I put the trade on. One reason I didn't go for more was this lines here were not off the high of the day. And anyone who takes our trading guide that comes along with an AT subscription will know why trades off the high or low of the day tend to have more force than those within the day's range. I left my profit target within this range, so it was pretty achievable, and you saw what happened. So what I put on this short, well, if you drill down from longer to shorter, you would see on a daily chart, we took out this high last week at 102.72, but we're back into that range. And if you look at a 4-hour chart, key level is above the market at around 102.53. So we kind of failed there. And if I would have bought rather than sold, I'd be betting not only on the day's high being taken out, but this level over here, one that we failed to reach earlier. Same thing on a 1-hour chart. So as long as you're below this level, and I saw my directional indicator not on a 15-minute, but I only went all the way down to a 5-minute. And as I explained when I got the third line here, it's fully explained in our trading guide, you often see an acceleration to the downside, ran a couple of stops here, hit our profit target, and this trade of the day is done successfully. Remember now, we have our webinars every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time, 12 to 1400 GMT. If you want to see the AT Amazing Trader in action, just sign up. If you don't have access to the link, please contact me and I will get you registered. For more information on the Amazing Trader, visit our website or you can contact me directly at jay@theamazingtrader.com.